So now let's see the layer arrangement options in a composite shot. So over here you can see that I have a composite shot right here, and this is a video layer right here. So what I can do is I can go around and bring in another video over here, and what happens is that the video layer is over here on the bottom. So if I were to go around and pull this out, you can see that this is the first layer over here, and I can resize this out right here just like this however I want. I can hold the shift button to maintain the aspect ratio while resizing as well, and I can place this wherever I want. I can go around and select this as well, as you can see, and I can resize this out as well. But you don't see the handles as the video clip that I am choosing right here is too large. So what I can do is I can go around and expand this, and over here you can see transform is an option over here. So from over here you can go around and scale this out, as you can see right here. So this is what I have. So scale is here. So you can see that I can go around and scale it out however I want right here, but the aspect ratio is maintained. So if I were to go around and click on this chain icon right here, then I can go around and maintain out the aspect ratios from the side, as you can see just like this as well. Apart from that, you can click on the position over here in the beginning to arrange out the position from left to right, or click on this to arrange out the position from top to bottom. Over here in between, you can see this dot right here, and this dot is the anchor point. If I were to click and drag it, you can see that I can go around and drag out the anchor point wherever I want right here, just like this. So what that allows you to do is, if I were to go around and scale, then you can see that it scales from that perspective right here. But more than that, you can see that it affects out the rotation. Right now, you see the 1x and 2x, that is the times of rotation, which is used for animation. But if I were to go around onto rotation, you can see that it rotates from that particular anchor point right here, just like this. Similarly, I can go around over here, and then if I were to click on this, you get the rotation over here as well. But I can go around over here onto transform, onto rotation, and you can see that it rotates from that particular anchor point. And apart from that, you can work around with opacity right here to make it transparent, just like this as well. And this is how you can go around and arrange out layers in a composite shot inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.